Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies, including BNB. BNB is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance ecosystem and can be used to pay for transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain. To get started, first, download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Create a New Wallet button. Follow the prompts to set up your wallet, including creating a password and backing up your recovery phrase. Next, navigate to the main wallet screen and click on the Buy button. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to buy and choose your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, or other payment methods such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Enter the amount of BNB you want to buy and review the transaction details. Make sure to check the current market price and any applicable fees. Once you have confirmed the transaction, click the Buy Now button to complete the purchase. Your BNB will be deposited into your Trust Wallet account, and you can view your balance on the main wallet screen. You can also use your BNB to pay for transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain or hold it as a store of value. When buying BNB on Trust Wallet, make sure to follow best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your recovery phrase safe. It is also important to only use reputable payment methods and to be aware of any applicable fees or taxes. In conclusion, buying BNB on Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following this tutorial, you can easily purchase BNB and start using it on the Binance Smart Chain. Remember to always follow best practices and stay informed about market prices and fees to get the most out of your cryptocurrency experience.